Woke up to silence, painted in gray, until I heard it calling my name. Three little chords and the world came alive. You pulled me out from the dark inside. Every scar, every tear, every broken day turned to music when you found a way. 'Cause you're my the song, you're the rhythm in my bones. You color all my lonely nights, give me wings to fly. You're my the song, you're the reason I believe. In every note I find my soul. Music, you're my life. Oh, when the world gets loud and I lose my way, I put you on and I'm okay. You're the fire in my chest, the spark in my eyes, the melody that never dies. Every dream, every hope, every prayer I've made lies forever in the songs we play. 'Cause you're my the song, you're the rhythm in my bones. You color all my lonely nights, give me wings to fly. You're my the song, you're the reason I believe. In every note I find my soul. Music, you're my life. No fame, no gold could ever replace the way you fill the empty spaces. You are the voice when I can't speak. You're the strength in me when I'm weak. You're my the song, you're the rhythm in my bones. You turn my black and white to gold. Music.